Strzyga is a character from Slavic legends. Character, a person or being in a story. People believed that a Strzyga could be someone with two souls or two hearts. Believed, thought that something was true. They thought that children with unibrows or teeth at birth were marked by evil, marked having a sign or being affected. People believed these children could die young and one of their souls would stay on earth. Soul, the spiritual part of a person. Strzyga looked very frightening, making you feel scared. She had a big head, a long neck, and red eyes. Head, the part of the body with the face. Her teeth were long and sharp like knives. Sharp, having a thin edge that cuts easily. Her claws looked like bird talons and could cut through claws of a bird of prey. Her whole body was covered in hard scales, covered with scales, like a fish or reptile. Strzygi were fast and very strong. Strong, having a lot of power or strength. They could sense their prey from a long distance. Prey, an animal or person hunted by another. At night, they hunted people and animals. Hunted, chased, and tried to catch. They drained energy and consumed the life force of their victims. Victims, people or animals, hurt or affected. When there were no people, they fed on the life force of animals. Life force, the energy or vitality that keeps a living being alive. People tried to protect themselves from Strzygi. Keep safe from harm. They used strong barriers to stop the Strzyga from harming others. Barriers, obstacles that prevent movement or access. Sometimes they laid the suspicious individuals with their faces down in the earth. Individuals, separate people or beings. Others spread poppy seeds, which the Strzyga had to count. Spread, scattered or distributed over an area. People believed this would keep the Strzyga busy all night. Busy, occupied or engaged in activity. Sometimes they used an aspen stake to stop the evil. Stake, a pointed stick used as a weapon. Others lit large bonfires to keep the Strzyga away. Bonfires, large controlled outdoor fires. Stories about Strzygi were both scary and fascinating. Fascinating, very interesting. Today, Strzyga appears in books and movies. Appears, shows up or becomes visible. This shows how old legends still inspire people today. Inspire, give new ideas or motivation. Character, a person or being in a story. Believed, thought that something was true. Marked, having a sign or being affected. Soul, the spiritual part of a person. Frightening, making you feel scared.